and shit just got real. Hey guys, so this is day one and I'm not going to act as if this don't feel weird, but that's fine. It's the first. So the things I need to do today, first I need to update my calendar thingy. It's saying June still, so I need to update that first. Then I need to post a video with summer announcements on IG. That's two things so far. I need to place some orders for some cake supplies for my weekend orders. I need to bake for my weekend orders. Now, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. I'm about to start baking. So I decided to edit while the cakes were baking. This would have been my last upload. Okay guys, so welcome to day 2. I've been up for a while. It's after 1 now. Been baking since then. I'm just done. Well, I'm not done it because things still in my oven, but I'm about to take a shower. I have on my towel. I'm not naked. And I'm going to go on the road, going to Mandeville to pick Dominic up and pick up some my cake stuff that I ordered yesterday. So we finally leave water house. It's like minutes to 2, but yeah, we're going to Mandeville now. Kind of look like somebody picked me today, just look a bit. Fussy. Yo, this is legit me trying to show you guys the KFC line. But then I line for probably like 2 hours, going to 3. Like, and the line starts on the road, as you can see. We didn't even reach over into the KFC yet. This girl had me walking to Burger King because we've been in KFC line for like 3 hours.
It's not that
And
long.
it feels like 3 hours. And she wants... It's been over an hour, that's for sure. And she wants, what's that called? Onion rings. So we're walking. Okay, so I'm finally home. It was raining like crazy. Got everything done. Well, apart from one thing, I have these boxes to go open and check if all my products are there. And I have 3 more packages somewhere. But either way, I just wanted to update you guys. So I'm home. I'm going to start working on some cakes. Might show that, might not. I don't know yet. My battery's dying, so let's see. Okay guys, so this is day 3, and as you could have read, I was so stressed out I didn't film because the humidity was messing up all my cakes and they looked a hot mess, and so I just didn't manage to film. So yeah, I tried everything to save these cakes and I just had to rewrap them like 5 million times, and I ended up having to push my orders. So yeah, I was too stressed out to film anything other than these things. Alright, so after the hot mess in the morning, I started to get a little bit luckier, I guess. with my evening cakes because this was fire. This one too. Okay, so this was day 4, and as you can see, I didn't film much because hurricane reach and our hurricane storm reach, and girl had cakes and deliveries to do. So yeah. And then the life of Golden Whisk. It meets of a storm. And this was the remake of the cake that I showed you before that was so messed up. And I was so proud because, you know, girl overcome obstacles and such. Hey guys, so today is the 5th, the day before my birthday. And I'm feeling kind of crazy. Don't mind this, on a dirt, it's got to be glued thingy. I was ordering some machines for Golden Whisk. Feel like I want to pull up my hair, wash it, and I'm very tempted to chop it off. Okay, so my hair is done. As in, don't pull out, you know, wash or anything, as you can see from all the glue scums. But yeah, I'm kind of excited. I don't know. I'm going to Christiana now. Well, mega beard, go Christiana, and then I'm gonna get some bleach, some dyes, and we're gonna experiment. I'm so crazy, it's not even funny. I know once I do the first cut, I'm going to be like, short hair, I'm back. I am back home and I got a bag of stuff to do my hair. Whoosh. I'm kind of excited, as you can see. Watch me look. Scissors. I'm gonna send a hair scissors. So nobody goes, oh, Kimonie doesn't hair. I don't care. Me I here use for to developer and all sort of madness in my hair. The scissors are the least of my problem. How hard can it be? I mean, I'm already cutting my hair at home, a whole tapered cut. What's the worst that can happen? Won't be because of the supplies, that's for sure. I'm going to insert the picture right here of what I want to do. I don't think I'm going to keep that color though. So I have the picture right there on my laptop. And shit just got real. Oh shit. that just happened. It happened. It's too late to turn back now. Like, so due to how I'm supposed to wash up my hair in like 30 seconds, I left it in for like 50 something minutes. Light gone. New gloves, new bottle of wine. I'm ready. Like the true. But I mean, my curls are still there. And that's the first sign for me that it's not damaged. I don't know about nobody else. It normally is like 15 to 25 minutes or something like that, but it normally process that fast for me. Okay guys, so it's been like an hour. I haven't seen it yet, and I wanted to catch my reaction on camera. Alright, let's see. Hold on. Wait, that means I see it before me. Why am I still hear crunches? Okay, I love this. Hold on. I actually really love this. I mean, difference in colors and stuff. Like I genuinely love this. I'm going to do my nails as well. But for now, I'm signing out for tonight. I think y'all got enough goodies for today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shani. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
We just do your present.
Oh, thank you.
So you are giving her big gift too. Come here.
Oh my gosh! Is this a bag of money? So due to how my appointment was supposed to be at 2, it's now 5 minutes to 2. I had to call to push to 2:30. I'm still not ready, as you can see from my face looking like this, but I'm working on being ready. Working on being ready. Oh, that was quick. Anyway, so many lights. Me ready. But me look like somebody picnic to the man, like my bed. So, we're in Mandeville. I decided to go get 2 piercings. Okay guys, so finally found the place. We are at Selective Tattoos and Piercings. This is Michael behind me. Say hi. So I'm planning on redoing my septum and a helix. Let's see how this turns out. Dominic is also here. I mean, it was painful, but only for like a second. Okay guys, so I am finally at the spa. First of all, the welcome staff, fire, and I'm getting compliments on my hair, so why not? So yeah, I'm waiting a few minutes while they prep, and then I'm not even the piercing. Ooh. Everybody's like, oh my gosh, is your hair extension? Is it a wig? It looks so nice. What color is that? And I'm just like, oh my god, I'm supposed to get naked. So I'm just going to take off my clothes and lay down. Okay guys, I'm done. Thanks to Natalia.
Hi guys.
So come to Serenity Garden Spa. Yes. See, I'm brain gone to get your massages, your facials, every shawl, foot shawl, neck shawl, body shawl, every shawl. whenever you finish. Okay. Okay, come on, just look at 5 o'clock. Okay guys, so I am done. Best massage ever. Big up to my big bad owner over here. That's how we do. Hey Whiskers, so this is the afternoon of the 7th, day after my birthday. I just wake up. As you can probably hear from my voice, I just literally took out the bonnet off of my hair, fling on the stop because we did the right. So and yeah, rough night. It was, but a fun birthday. This is also the last day, possibly the last clip of my week in my life video. For today, all I'm going to do is edit this video so that I can post on Saturday. Yo, my curl's still popping though. Anyway, yeah, edit this video. I just draw the curtain them so that I could get some light in here because my room is very dark, and as I said, I just wake up. I never get up out of the bed yet. So yeah, edit this video. I'm going to probably film a microwave banana bread video. I'm not sure, but I'll probably do that and post it on Wednesday, or a reaction video. I think I wanted to do a reaction video, so whichever one comes first, I'll do that. And what else may I do? Not nice video. I probably do this business canvas thing that I have to do. I don't know. Let me get up and actually lock my door good, because mommy come in here this morning, did that talk to me, and she never locked the door good. No, I can't hear her fire things, so I'm gonna just kind of lock the door good. So yeah, I'm just going to. I look kind of rough. So that's it for a week in my life. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm really hoping it's too long, and yeah, this will be posted on Saturday, so my next video will be on Wednesday. So I'll see you guys at that time. Until then, stay golden. So I know somebody just done the vlog and tell me what I'm made of today. I'm looking pants now because my nephew is outside, which means I'm also babysitting in the midst of all of that. So guess who's happy? Pants it is. Chicks. People of the YouTube, say hello. People of the YouTube. Yes, hello. So bye. Until next time, stay golden. Bye.